This is what it looks like in eastern Kentucky right now. This is my driveway. I'm actually on the four-wheeler. I was going to ride down and pick Michael up at my mom's house, but this stupid four-wheeler is not running unless I give it like full force gas, and I do not want to go down this mountain giving it full force gas and probably 3 or 4 inches of snow. So he's going to walk up, and then I'll drive him the rest of the way back, which is pretty much level. It's coming down quick. Mainly snow right now. They're giving sleet and ice and freezing rain, and I guess that is ice, but anyway, here we are. And here I am. I've been out here probably at least 30 minutes. First, the key was frozen. I had to keep going inside and heating the key up with a hairdryer and try to get it back in there. Finally got it in there. Then it wouldn't start for some reason, so I had to spray ether in there to get it started. So it started, and then it would not run unless I gave it full force gas. I don't know what's wrong with this thing today. I think it's because it's so cold outside. Yeah. And so here I am, sitting in the snow, pouring down, waiting on Michael to walk up this hill. I should have worn my other jacket. This one's zipper don't work right. So, such is life. I expected to zoom down the hill, picking up, zoom back up. Didn't work out that way. That's how life goes. And this is how it looks here. And then this is behind me. I see him coming. I don't know if y'all can see him coming, but he's coming. He's wore out. This is a big mountain to climb. He's been climbing for a while, especially in the snow, and he's probably packing a gas jug. I know you probably see him now. Wave, honey. Did you make it, honey?
I think so.
I wouldn't have made it.
Nope.
I'd have made it maybe a fourth of the way up. I'd have been like, call 911. Where no one has been or no one has stepped. Yep, about the same. This one's about 4 right here. You know the little kid off of the movie Christmas Story? That's what I feel like this time around. Michael got the four-wheeler going, and I bundled up better this time. I had to take my glove off so that I could hit record, but I think we're going down the mountain this time. So let's give it a go. The rain has started. I say it will either ice over the snow, or it will either melt the snow and used to be solid ice. This is what I look like now that we're back. It's definitely getting slick. Stepped off the four-wheeler. Tried to step onto the sidewalk. My glasses are fogged up. And I don't know, stepped off the edge or something and did the did the splits and about broke my neck. And so, yeah. I think I'm going in and I'm staying in. I think everybody else should too.